In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and pictures in Clipchamp easily. Whether you're creating a new video project or enhancing an existing one, images can provide a visual flair that's bound to captivate your audience. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate pictures into your Clipchamp projects. First, let's open our web browsers and head over to clipchamp.com. Once you reach the Clipchamp homepage, you're going to want to sign in. If you already have an account, you can simply click on the sign in button. But if you're new to Clipchamp, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, this process is quite straightforward. Now, for those who prefer using their Microsoft account details, Clipchamp offers an easy integration. Just click on continue with Microsoft, and if prompted, enter your Microsoft credentials. After signing in, select the Microsoft account you wish to use. This step keeps your workspace organized and gives you access to Microsoft's cloud storage for easy media management. With the account setup complete, navigate to the Clipchamp home screen. Here you'll find various options, but our focus today is on video creation. Look for the Create a New Video option. This will direct you to the editing interface where all the creativity happens. It's well laid out, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Once you're in the editing environment, it's time to import your media. Spot the Import Media button, which gives you the capability to bring in images, videos, and even sounds into your project. Clicking this will allow you to select files from your computer or connect with your storage services for more options. Within the Media Import window, choose the images you wish to add to your video. You can either upload them directly from your device or fetch them from a linked cloud service. It's entirely up to you how you source your images, but having a cloud-linked option can be handy for accessing media across different devices. Afterwards, you'll see your images appear in the media library, positioned conveniently in the interface. From here, it's simply a drag and drop action to place these images into the timeline of your project. You can adjust the duration, position, and even add filters or transitions to make sure your images align with your creative vision. Remember, visuals can greatly enhance a viewer's experience, so take the time to ensure your images are edited and positioned perfectly. Play around with the options available in Clipchamp until you have the desired effect. And there you have it. Adding images to your Clipchamp project is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your video storytelling. Thanks for tuning in.